Are you wondering how to get a full camera display in Snapchat? Today I will show you how to make Snapchat camera to show in full screen mode. Hello and welcome to F1 xpat. My name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. First we will make sure that Snapchat is up to date. Go to the Play Store. Select your profile icon on the top right of the screen. Select Manage Apps and Device. There will be a message here for updates. Next we will free up storage and cache. Go to your settings. Everybody's phone is different, so look for a gear icon on your phone. Select Apps. Select Snapchat. Select Storage. Clear the data. Sometimes it will say clear the storage. Clear the cache. Go back to App Settings. Select App Permissions. Turn on your camera. Turn on Contacts. Turn on Location Permissions. Turn on Microphone Permissions. Turn on Storage. Go back to All Apps. Select Camera. Select Storage. Clear Data. Clear Cache. Go back to Camera. Select Force Stop. Select OK. Exit out of Apps Settings. Restart the phone. Log into Snapchat. It will be working now. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.